Welcome to the video where we tackle a peculiar problem with a shell script extraction. The issue arises from a bug in the script, leading to incorrect machine code execution. It's a classic case of overlooking a detail that can have significant implications on the outcome. Let's delve into the heart of the problem and unravel the mystery. The solution to our conundrum lies in dissecting the object file using the objdump command. By examining the disassembled code, we gain insight into the series of instructions that make up the shellcode. The sequence reveals the crucial steps involved in executing the desired functionality. It's like deciphering a complex puzzle to unveil the hidden message within. Continuing on our journey through the shellcode extraction process, we encounter a pivotal step in the pipeline. By cutting out extraneous information and focusing on the byte values, we streamline the output for further analysis. It's akin to refining raw data into a pristine form that can be easily processed. Every byte holds a critical piece of the puzzle, and we must ensure that none are lost along the way. As we navigate through the pipeline, we encounter a minor hiccup that impacts the integrity of the extracted machine code. The culprit lies in truncating the third line prematurely, resulting in a missing byte in the final outcodes. By adjusting the pipeline command to capture the full set of byte values, we restore the code's completeness and ensure its proper execution. It's a subtle yet crucial tweak that can make all the difference in the end result. In the final stretch of our exploration, we optimize the pipeline further by refining the extraction process to include all necessary byte values. By fine-tuning our approach, we enhance the accuracy and reliability of the extracted machine code. It's a meticulous endeavor that ensures the integrity of the code in its flawless execution. With these adjustments in place, we can confidently proceed with running the shellcode as intended. In conclusion, we've unraveled the intricacies of shellcode extraction and fine-tuned the process for optimal results. By addressing the bug in the pipeline and refining our extraction method, we've overcome the obstacles in our paths. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this journey through shellcode extraction. Until next time, happy coding, and may your scripts always run smoothly.